Good afternoon, I am Vina Venturesa.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. I am Nor Aida Shasha binti Cerus.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Noor Haris Beromi Hadi. Today, my team will present final year project SwiQ application and our supervisor is Dr. Soraya Akmal binti Motarudin.
Some researchers found that students who use past year question papers as part of their studies are most likely to appear more confident and may also have a low rate of examination anxiety compared to the students who rarely use past year question papers in their studies. Besides that, they also stated that teachers tend to use past year question papers in their teaching process to form an excellent basis for revision in preparation for exams for their students. Moreover, past year question papers are highly recommended being used by students as a resource for their academic work. Therefore, it is hoped that the innovation of SwiQ app will help students as well as teachers in learning and teaching process. There are four main problems and issues. Number one, COVID-19 has been extraordinarily challenging for universities and students. Number two, half of the DKB students in PUO find it hard to get the study material that is related to their course. Number three, another higher institution has successfully launched their own app specifically for its students. And number four, a website has more disadvantages compared to an application.
Background of the project. Major marketing of this app focusing on familiarize students with the answer scheme of exam question and helping students become accustomed to applying technological aids in their lesson with the help of our creative innovation. The main objective of this project are to investigate the influence of perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use and on the intention to use SwiQ to design and develop SwiQ for learning effectiveness and to implement SwiQ to the DKB student for learning effectiveness. Business project objective. The main objective of this project is to design an app called SwiQ Passage Question SwiQ for the DKB student. The specific objective of this study are to investigate the influence of perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use and on intention to use SwiQ. Second, to design and develop SwiQ for learning effectiveness. Next, to implement SwiQ to the DKB student for learning effectiveness. SWOT analysis. The first one is strength. The team has a good teamwork. The team has a high creativity. Product is easy to use by consumer. Product has modern features and up to date. Weakness. The first one is lack of capital. Cost of the innovation is expensive. The team does not have any high skill knowledge in IT. Has no strong networking to get a developer for the innovation.
Opportunities. Current economic conditions make it easier for the product to be used. Consumer lifestyle is more toward modern and technological direction. The government provides special subsidy for technology. Threats. There is a lot of competitors, bad feedback from earliest consumer, the presence of hackers, changes in technological development. Next, the following are the justification in developing SwiQ. First, for student achievement, SwiQ can give a better inspiration to students in polytechnic, especially DKB students, because it is the best way for students to find pacification and can save time and energy. Second, the features is user-friendly. Compared to the existing pacification on paper and website, we improve something such as button to search for course code and some other features. Third, the user of the application doesn't need to log in by using their personal information because SwiQ is safe to use. Fourth, the uniqueness of our product. It is for students who like to study without printing the question. They may download it or just review it through the mobile phone. Fifth, SwiQ will give more benefit to students who weak in the subject. This innovation seeks to practice for users to upgrade their skill to face the examination. We are now moving to SwiQ prototype and we will explain you on how to use SwiQ application. There are two ways of using SwiQ. First, by using the display of the list of the semester. Second, you can search it on a search box. Once download the SwiQ app, it will display on the front of consumer phone and this is how the icon will look like. Welcome to SwiQ. This is the front page of this app. After the front page, it is followed by the info display on SwiQ.
If consumers slide to the right, the display of the SwiQ app will be shown and there will be a continue button for consumer to press. For example, if consumer choose Semester 1, they can directly press the button of Semester 1 and choose their desired question. Next, there will be two choices, which is Chrome and Drive PDF Viewer. For example, I'll choose to use Drive PDF Viewer.
Let's continue to the seventh way. The desired question of consumer will appear as soon as they did step 6. After that, the second way that could be used by the consumer on this app is by searching the past year question based on the code. For example, based on the 8th display, the code that used and searched is DPB373 and it will directly show the display of the desired code that is searched. Consumer may repeat step 6 and 7. Suggestion for future project. Firstly, improve in terms of usability while offline without consuming any Wi-Fi or data. Next, put a floating chat box. Furthermore, provide a space for students to answer questions directly on the SwiQ app. Besides, create a platform between lecturer and student according to the subject that is available on SwiQ app, and adding other courses other than Diploma of Banking and Finance. Based on the demographic above, most of the respondents are female. Stay at home in semester 4 belongs to the group age of 18 to 20 years old, and most of the respondents are also belong to the Malay ethnic.
The graph bar shows that most respondents are strongly agree that SwiQ app is useful and help them to improve their needs and learning. Next, it also shows here that most respondents are strongly agree that SwiQ app is easy to use. And most of the respondents has the intention to use this SwiQ app in their course.
There are 6 benefits of SwiQ. First, it can be an innovative product that can meet the needs of larger students. Second, it's able to improve the learning effectiveness among students. Third, able to become an effective and modern teaching aid for teachers to use in helping the student to improve their academic performance in examination. Next, students of DKB will easily get their study materials while following the circulation of current technological development. Furthermore, will add more innovative products that are beneficial in the country. Lastly, it will expose the society to innovative products that apply the latest technological advance and turn them into a modern society. The last part is conclusion. First, the innovation project of SwiQ app has a positive impact in helping users facing the final exam and can improve skills in lessons. Second, the use of the SwiQ app can make it easy to improve individual needs in learning, and it easy to apply the SwiQ app in course material in class.
Using SwiQ app in my course will enhance my learning interest since it may help to increase my marks in exam. Then, SwiQ app is also easy to use by all students. This is because of its own uniqueness, which is the code of the subject has been separated by semester.
Users tend to use the SwiQ app in their study before facing the final examination papers.